Hi, in this video, we will see how to create duplicate request in API tester. Okay, so sometimes you want to create a similar kind of request and then you need to change something. So that time instead of creating another request freshly, so you can duplicate one request and you can change according to your requirement. So that how it possible in the API tester that we will see now. So let's go to the app. So this is my app. So here I have a query parameters available is equals to true, but I want to verify the same thing available is equals to false. So just because of that, I just click on this plus symbol and gets like a get option. Okay. And then now add this URL, all these things. Instead of that, you just create a duplicate request of this and change accordingly. Okay. So for this, uh, you just need to, so for this, you just need to swipe left. You see, swipe left. Then you'll have some options, delete or something like that. So the middle one, this plus symbol, it's a duplicate request. Okay, if you click on this, it will create a duplicate request of this particular request. Okay, click on this. You see that the moment when you create it directly opens. So let me rename this. So I'll say duplicate request query parameters. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to change it to false. That's it. Okay, now just execute this. You see, these are the two products which are not there in the stock. Okay, but our intention is here. You see, query parameters already there. I have created a duplicate of this and I renamed this. Right, this is available is equals to true. This is available is equals to false. So you need to do little bit of changes. So that time you just swipe left and click on this plus symbol. Then it will create a duplicate request according to your requirement. Just change the values and then execute. Okay. So this is how you can create a duplicate request in API tester. Okay. So that's all in this video. Thank you.